occurred at West Allis, Wisconsin. In this clip, a great postal worker looking out for the homeowner had hid the package out of sight. No more porch pirates. Thank you very much for this person. In this video, here are clips of acts of kindness caught on the Ring camera. Make sure to subscribe, it's much appreciated. This kind FedEx driver comes back to give a treat to the homeowner's puppy. Here is the clip. This made the homeowners smile. It made their day. In this clip, a good mailman saw the homeowner's package and picked it up and rubber banded it with the mail. And handed to the homeowner. The homeowner was very thankful. Little things matter.
All right. Yeah.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As you saw in this clip, the mail delivery guy fixes the homeowner's flag. After the homeowner viewing this kind clip, they said it made their day. Thanks for the hand. Next, located at Kansas City, Missouri. This lady saw the homeowner's dog wandering around, so she went out of her way to leash the dog, walked to her home for a bowl of water, and then returned to make sure the pet was hydrated. The homeowner is thankful for this kind person. This next clip occurred at Las Vegas, Nevada. This honest and kind neighbor returned the homeowner's package after Amazon failed on delivering it. The contents were the husband's Christmas gift and their medication in the package. They are very lucky to have an honest neighbor. Another clip located at Las Vegas, Nevada. As you saw in this clip, the homeowner's neighbor picked up the homeowner's package and took it inside her apartment to prevent porch pirates. This is one caring neighbor. Next, located at Houston, Texas. So, this guy in the video had returned the person's wallet, but the homeowner was not home. They were out, still. An act of kindness was caught on the Ring camera.
Outside,
Clip located at Seattle, Washington. This lady found the homeowner's lost headphones. After I dropped them, the headphones were in a black case.
Are you guys home? Huh? Doesn't sound like it. Okay, well.
The homeowner can't believe that this lady found them. An act of kindness was just captured. There is still good people, which is awesome. After the headphones were returned. Next, location at Denver, Colorado. In this clip, the homeowner's neighbor shoveled their walkway while the homeowner was away from town. This is very kind for him to do. Let's get the kind people noticed for once. Another clip located at Denver, Colorado. As you saw, this kind Amazon driver saw these two Christmas planters were knocked over, and the very friendly Amazon driver put them back up this morning after the crazy wind knocked them down. This clip made the homeowner's day. Anything nice can really make people's day. Kirkland, Washington. The person in the red truck had returned my lost package. FedEx had mistakenly delivered the homeowner's package to the wrong home address, which was delivered to this lady. Thankfully, the kind and honest lady took her time of her day to bring the lost package to the right home address and deliver it. We need more people like her. Next location at Milwaukee, Wisconsin. In this clip, this UPS driver had delivered my package, and he also had hid the package from plain sight to prevent porch pirates. He had placed a doormat in front of the package. More delivery drivers should do this kind act. Next clip located at Baltimore, Maryland. This lady in the clip had taken the homeowner's package, but this is no porch pirate. This kind lady had only taken the homeowner's package to a safer location. The lady knew that her neighbor was gone. A nice lady, as you can see. We like these type of people. Thank you very much to this kind person. Ad break. Enjoying these acts of kindness clips? Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. It will support the channel, and it also will let me know that you want more of this type of content. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This nice neighbor had cleared the snow while the homeowner was out of town, and he was not asked to. But thanks to this neighbor, we need more neighbors like him. Here is the full clip of him clearing the snow. Very satisfying to watch. This occurred at Huntington Beach, California. You can see this individual came to return the homeowner's wallet this morning. Truly a wonderful act of kindness, and it's very grateful. Located at Parkville, Maryland. This clip shows this person returning the homeowner's ID. The homeowner did not realize that he had dropped it. Good thing this person returned it. This is a awesome person, said the homeowner. This next clip is located at Las Vegas, Nevada. This person in the video had seen the homeowner's trash knocked over, so he picked it up and dumped it back in, after it being knocked over by the wind. Next, Denver, Colorado. In this last clip, an act of kindness was caught on the Ring doorbell camera. This lady, also the homeowner's neighbor, brought a misdelivered package that was accidentally delivered to her home. What the contents were was a custom baby ornament for their niece. The lady also hid the package behind a decoration. The homeowner is very grateful for this kind person. Anyone, you have a city recommendation you want me to add on the next video? Add your city in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like to support the channel, it's much appreciated. Other videos you can watch now. Click one of the two videos you see on your screen.